Hey guys, welcome back to the channel Drill Programmer. How are you all? Hope you are doing well and in good health. So in this video, we are going to start our brand new beginner friendly tutorial series on Python. So let's begin. So what is Python? Python is an high-level language. As high-level languages are quite similar to the human naming conventions. As Python is an high-level language, Python uses human naming conventions like English. It uses English word for the syntax. And learning curve, as Python is a high-level language, the learning curve is quite easy for the beginners. And it's an object-oriented programming language. You might not understand as a beginner what is object-oriented programming. I would let you know in this series what is object-oriented programming. So you can create web apps, Android apps, machine learning and games using Python. So I have divided this course into 3 parts: basic, intermediate and advanced. In basic, we are going to understand the basic syntax and create some basic projects. And intermediate, we are going to understand some very important concepts of Python. And then in advanced, we are going to create web apps and desktop apps using Python. So first of all, you need to download Python in your system, and you can go to python.org, press on downloads, and you can download it for Windows. I have already downloaded it, so I won't download it again. If any error, you can contact me in Discord, link in the description. Join the Discord server. All the problems will be solved as soon as possible. So now open your VS Code, Sublime Text, whatever you want. Or if you install Python, you get idle, an editor called idle. So let's use this for now. You need to go to File, New File, then you can type your first code here. You need to type print, opening and closing brackets, and double inverted commas, a pair of double inverted commas, and then press hello. Now you can click on run and run module. Save this. I would save this in Python. Tut. We create a folder called Tut. You can save whatever you want. Now you got your Python file running. It's showing me hello here. So how this code works, I will explain this in the next video. Till that, stay tuned till the next video. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please like, share, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon as well. Don't forget to join my Discord server.